name is Neha Daga and I welcome you all to the Lady Daga Show. So a friend of mine asked me to create a video on how to pose to get a GF. And I was like, wow, this is an amazing idea, and honestly it is. So here I am with how to pose to get a GF. Point number 1. खुल के हंसिए, प्लीज खुल के हंसिए. मैंने ऐसा मेरे बहुत सारे मेल फ्रेंड्स में नोटिस किया है कि वो है ना फोटोग्राफ्स में खुल के नहीं हंसते. They're like measuring their smile, like okay, this is fine, no. And what is this, guys? No, खुल के हंसो, please, because we as women would love to be with somebody who is happy, who's looking happy into the pictures, who's happy, vibrant, and has a charming and an amazing smile. I mean, please laugh your hearts out in the picture, guys. That's the first point that I would want to tell all of you males out there. खुल के हंसो, please. खुल के कैसे हंसते हैं? Okay, do it with me. 1, 2, 3, go! Yay! And yeah, that is the smile that you need to show in your photographs because we love it. Next point is be genuine, be you, express your own personality. Please be genuine, be yourself into your photographs. Express your own personality because that's very important. That is going to get the right person for you. Somebody who's interested in you. I've seen a few people who pose with, expensive cars and they're standing beside and they're like, okay, yeah, they're posing. No, this picture is not going to get you a genuine girlfriend because you're looking for a girlfriend and not a gold digger. Use your skill sets into your photographs. Like if you're a dancer, you could pose that way. If you're a sports person, you can get yourself shot playing. Or, you can give your personal poses, or, you can pose with your instrument or whatever it is. And if you're a businessman. If you're a businessman, you can use your suit. Like the way you go, the way you dress up daily, use those outfits. They are going to make you look like yourself. Express your personality. So please guys, keep that in mind. Express your own selves. Be yourself into your photographs. That is going to get the right person interested in you. Yeah. Point number 3. Beard, no beard, jawlines. That is your gifted accessory, guys. Make use of that wisely. Beard, no beard, jawline. जिसमें आप अच्छे लगते हैं, जिसमें आप बहुत कंफर्टेबल हैं, उस चीज का यूज करिए जिस तरीके से आप वो दिखाना चाहते हैं. We as girls, we have different preferences. Somebody would like a person with a beard, somebody would like a clean shaven, a chocolate boy kind of a person, or somebody would get more attracted towards somebody with an amazing jawline or with those, popping out physical features. And since I'm talking about photographs, यही दिखता है photograph में और क्या दिखेगा. So yeah, when you are posing, use these features of yours wisely, जिस तरीके से आप अपने आप को बेस्ट पोर्ट्रे कर सकते हैं और जिसमें आप सबसे ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल हैं. Like that is how you are. So that will show the right kind of you to the person, and you will get the right person attracted towards you. For jawlines, like when you're posing with these things, you can always give your angles and show. Yeah, give your angles and things. That's nice. That's always nice. More diagonal. Not don't pose like this. What is this? No, something more diagonal that shows your face. Point number 4. Communicate with your eyes. Look into the lens, communicate with your eyes. Let the eyes do the talking. Look into the lens. I've seen a lot of people, maybe they have a sunglass on. Dude, I cannot look at you. Pura nahi dekh sakti main aapko. Or somebody who's looking at the sky and wow, what? I'm like, no, I can just see this much. I can't see you. I can't see you. You need to look into the lens, communicate with the person you are looking for. And yeah, that intensity, that frame looks amazing. You can go for any kind of a background with that. You can go for a black and white shoot with that. Those poses, that just, that straight face of men, it looks too good, guys. You just don't need to do anything. So please look into the eyes and communicate with the person you're looking for. Yay. So yeah, that's gonna bring you a lot of good pictures. Yeah, if you were able to carry it off. The next point is use nature and natural backgrounds. Because you have amazing natural light, white light की pictures बहुत अच्छी आती हैं, and all the colors pop out really well, and the whole frame, the whole photograph and the whole frame in general looks very charming, very vibrant and appealing. So please use natural backgrounds. You can use like the trees, your garden backgrounds. You can use the sky also as a background, and really laugh, be happy in the pictures. Or any kind of a different pose if you want to give, if you think, yeah, it's going to look amazing. Or, if you're into martial arts or whatever. You can use those postures, poses, if you're like too good with them, and get yourselves click like that, because the whole frame in general with a natural background is going to look amazing and very appealing, very attractive. I think these were a few quick points to get yourselves shot, get a girlfriend. Yes, I hope it helps you, and I hope you get a girlfriend soon. All the best. Bye bye. Take care. Stay safe till then. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye bye. Take care.